Using a magnet and lift pole, remove the lid and place it on an elevated platform. A scraper is used to remove any large debris from the ring. Grind with a standard grinder disc to clean any rust and debris. Fine clean with a sanding disc to get a clean metal surface. Cut a rubber strip 7 feet long and rough up one side using a coarse belt sander. Clean dust off of the ring using rubbing alcohol and paper towels. Apply glue using a caulk gun. Using a putty knife, smooth out the glue evenly until it's a thin layer covering the entire lip. Place the rubber rough side down, pushing to the wall of the ring. Make sure the rubber is against the wall all the way around. Cut the rubber to butt up to the other end. Clean any excess glue off if needed. On the lid, pick the location to put the Sewer Sentry. Mark the 1 3/8 inch hole to be drilled. Using a thin blade, cut the surface to be drilled 1/8 inch deep through the hard surface of the lid. Place the drill plate and drill over the marked hole. If the drill bit does not match the marked hole, redo. Secure the plate and drill using C-clamps and drill the hole. Clean any rust and debris from the lip of the lid and around the drilled hole. Insert the Sewer Sentry and tighten. Clean the lip of lid with rubbing alcohol and apply paint. Using plastic wrap, cover the paint. Using a magnet and lifting pole, place the lid on the ring evenly. Raise the lid back up, turn a quarter turn, and replace the lid on the ring.